Pepe might jump 7% tomorrow per coin data flow estimates. Before anything else, let's see what's happening on the chart. Pepe has weakened by 3.5% since yesterday and is now holding around 0.50's $343. Now let's explore the forecast section. Crypto Predictions expects to see the price drifting towards 0.50's $326 by tomorrow, down roughly 5.1%. Traders Union expects Pepe to reach 0.50's $347, a projected increase of about 0.9%. 30 Rates notes it might move higher towards 0.50's $356, roughly 3.5% up. A separate projection from CoinDataFlow suggests Pepe could move towards 0.50's $368, roughly 7% higher than now. And to end, Gov Capital Collector projects 0.50's $394 by tomorrow with a projected rise of 14.6%. This one offers the strongest profit potential. That wraps the analyst part. Let's keep moving. Now let's take a step into what each forecast might deliver. Looking at the forecast side by side, the projected movement in price is between a decrease of 5.1% and an increase of 14.6%, depending on the analyst. It's clear that Gov Capital Collector expects the highest return with 14.6% gain in value by tomorrow. By the look of it, you could make between $9 and $146 for every $1,000 you invest. Using recent volatility figures, Traders Union's forecast points to the top probability at 95%. With all 5 forecasts combined, I've formed a unified projection. The consensus view points to Pepe advancing about 4.2%. Here's the detailed picture. Consensus projections indicate a 4.2% increase by tomorrow. In simple terms, your capital might mirror the same 4.2% change. On a 1,000 investment, that could amount to about $42 gained. Based on the consensus, the probability for this outcome stands near 78.3%. Right now, let's look at how analysts expect the price to move over the next 3 days. Crypto Prediction sees Pepe losing ground. Also, Traders Union signals weakness, pointing to a fall. 30 Rates signals the price is moving onto higher ground. CoinDataFlow points to further weakness. Gov Capital Collector suggests Pepe could extend its climb. When looking at all forecasts side by side, the consensus clearly highlights an upward direction for Pepe in the short term. Bringing together the forecasts, the majority anticipate Pepe softening. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we can see how they performed against the market. In the end, the price wrapped up the day at 0.50's $354. Yesterday's close showed that most of the forecasts were right about the direction. Digital coin price produced the most correct forecast. Time to analyze the results piece by piece. Out of all the predictions, only one hit the candle range. For ROI, multiple analysts ended in the green, and the maximum return recorded was 3.6%. On screen is the performance summary, the combined outcomes for every forecast. In the data, CoinCodex shows 94.9% forecast probability and 3.6% ROI. See if you can find the analyst who was most on point. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's potential returns compare between Pepe and a few others. In this ranking, Pepe falls below the leader as Polkadot holds 4.4% expected performance. Here we're looking at Pepe and 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full profitability, comparison, and analyst accuracy overview will be posted soon on my website and Telegram. You made it this far, and that's awesome. If this was worth your time, a like would be amazing. See you in the next data drop.